everyone, my name is Soumya. Along with Ishan and Aditya are going to talk about FPV racing drones we made in the ETL lab. So, to kick off things, could you share the spark of the inspiration for creating FPV drones?
So the inspiration for making an FPV drone came when we first time ever visited a college in a hackathon where we saw a drone fest going on, where the senior children were actually racing their self-made FPV drones. That's when I got the idea that I should actually make one and test how it works.
That's fantastic. Now, tell us about the ETL Lab's role in nourishing this project. How did they support and facilitate the creation of these drones?
So ATEL Lab has played a major role in providing us cutting edge technology, mentorship and collaborative space to work on this project. And it also provided us tools that from which we can make this FPV drone.
Creating FPV drones sounds like a challenging task. Can you share some of the hurdles you faced during the development process and how did you overcome them?
So the main challenge I faced during the making process of the drone was actually fitting the parts, and as it's a quite compact drone, so it was a really great, really hard working thing. And later when I was testing the drone, it was dropped multiple times from a great height, and the motor actually broke multiple times, so I had to manually open and repair the whole motor. So that was a great challenge.
Our listeners are likely curious about the technology behind these drones. Could you give us a brief overview of the key components and the technologies you incorporated into the FPV drones?
So the drone mainly comprises of a carbon fiber frame which is rigid and lightweight, battery obviously for powering up, a flight controller for balancing the drone, receiver, transmitters and ESCs for supplying the current to the motors, and obviously the brushless motors which gave us a really fast speed.
Beyond the thrilling of racing, has this project impacted your education and the education who are involved in the ETL lab?
The education impact was very immense, as we did not only get hands-on cutting edge technology, but we also developed our teamwork and project skills.
It's fantastic to hear about the educational benefits. Now, have you engaged with the community to showcase your FPV drones? If so, what has been your community responses?
So we have organized melange and exhibitions so that our community can see and experience these drones, and the feedback we get was very great and very excited.
Looking ahead, what are your future plans for the FPV drones, and do you have any upcoming innovations or projects in the pipeline?
So actually we're planning to upgrade it further and make something out of it. Maybe we can make a delivery drone, and also to use it in competitions, international or national competitions, wherever we can obtain the benefits.
Thank you so much, Ishan and Aditya, for sharing your inspirational journey in creating FPV racing drones in the ETL lab. It's clear that innovation knows no age, and you are truly demonstrate the power of combining passion with education. To our listeners, thank you for joining us on exciting episode of FPV racing drones. Stay tuned for more fantastic stories of innovation and creativity. Until next time, fly high and keep dreaming.